Hi there, can I get a medium black coffee, please? Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to RC Camping and Crawling. Here we are up in the mountain again. Actually beat the sunrise today. It's a busy time of year, so I'm trying to get out and get this video recorded before the daily busyness. So I got a few modifications in it, which I'll go through as I'm driving it. But essentially, you know, new wheels. I got the new shocks in it from Proline. New Treal lower control arms, and the carbon fiber chassis from Injora. So all in all, I hope this thing adds some more balance, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. So we're gonna take it same trail as last week. We're gonna come down here through the valley, up to the right, and then back. So last time we had a couple little tumbles, so hopefully today with these mods we don't get those tumbles. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I'm sure in a few minutes we'll get some nice sunrise shots. Last time, coming down this little rock face, not much of a rock face, but this little rock face is made a tumble. So I don't know if it'll do it this time, but so there you go. The extra weight stopped it from tumbling first try. far, the extra weight of the wheels, the heavier metal suspension, the nicer shocks, it handles so much better. It looks a little more scale too, just with it less bobbing around less. Kind of makes it look a little more real, especially some of these close-up shots, which is fun. I don't know how this thing will do on like a challenge line, like there's this steep kind of little ledge here, but let's give it a go. But there's still an awful lot of weight on the back, on the stuff on the roof, so I don't think it'll do this, but maybe. So it still can't do the really gnarly stuff, but that's okay, because current setup is a great little trail truck, looks nice and scale. That being said though, with all the weight in the back, I bet you it's not bad at descending. Here's kind of a tricky line I can try. Some of the mods I've done. So I took the stock tires off the stock wheels. I had to cut all the glue and I mounted them to Treal aluminum wheels. Inside here, open this up, I have the Proline oil-filled shocks. It's pretty cool to get an oil-filled shock on such a small scale as a 1/24th. But they seem to work really, really well. I got the Injora carbon fiber frame on there, which gives you options to mount your shocks. So you kind of get like 8 or 9 options per corner, which is cool. So you can raise the frame, lower the frame, etc. And then underneath I got 4 metal links. So I replaced all the links with Treal high clearance links. So a little more weight. Part of the system as well is a nice magnet system on the body. So instead of Velcro, it's a nice, really strong magnet system. So yeah, fits good. I think it looks nice in scale. This thing drives nice. So very happy with it so far. Unfortunately, you know, not really much of a sunrise. I was hoping to get some cool lighting shots, but really gray today. So as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see and enjoy the videos, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please give me a subscribe. Subscriptions are free, and if you're enjoying it, then you know, you get the nice notifications let you know I release a new video. Give you a point of reference for scale. I'm gonna go down this little valley here.